Hello children, good evening everyone. I welcome you all to the art integrated class. Children, do you know what are art integrated learning? Art integrated learning is nothing but when we learn different subjects through different forms of art such as drawing, painting, sketching, making models, making different craft works, etc. Children, here today we are going to discuss how to make projects of mathematics on different concepts of mathematics by integrating the different culture and heritage of Maharashtra. Children, Maharashtra has a rich art, culture and heritage which are going to be explored this time through our art integrated projects. So here I am to discuss with you about the project of maths, where every week we will give 4 different topics. In the first week we are going to discuss the topic about geometry. In the second week the topic is data handling. In the third week the topic will be measurement and mensuration, and in the fourth week the topic will be model making and biography of different mathematicians of Maharashtra. So every week whatever the topic will be given to you, you have to make projects on that topic. So in this 4 weeks, 4 different topics and 4 different projects will be made. So first let me show you a sample of project that I have made for you, where I am going to show you the project that is made on art integrated project of mathematics, where we are going to integrate the concept of geometry with different art forms of Maharashtra. Here this is the project that I have made for you. That is, this is only a sample, children. You have to follow the procedure how to make, and you are not bound to make only this one. So here first you go through the sample that I have made. I have made the cover page where I have decorated by different art forms of Maharashtra. You can see this is a famous art form of Maharashtra which is called as the Varli art. So if you will observe carefully, in this Varli art there are so many geometrical shapes. So children, can you now relate the concept of geometry with the art form of Maharashtra? So here from the cover page itself I have given a hint and try to integrate the art form of Maharashtra with geometry or the concept of geometry. In the next page I have written about the personal details of a student who is going to prepare the project. Here the name, class, section, subject and your school name will be there. In the next page we are going to write the introduction, where we are going to introduce what is the art integrated project about. Next we have the index, where this index tells us that what are the different topics we are going to choose, and we have chosen what are the topics of the project, as well as on from which page number to which page number we have made these projects. Here from page number 1 to 3 I have used in making geometry. So let me show you how. Here I have taken the Varli art of Maharashtra to want to integrate it with geometry and try to represent it. Here you can see in the next page I have written what is the role of geometry in Varli art of Maharashtra. In Varli art of Maharashtra you will find all the basic shapes of geometry, where you have triangles, you have a circle, you have different straight lines, curved lines, etc. Now what are these significance of these different shapes that are being used in this tribal art form of Maharashtra, which is called as Varli art? Children, you will find these Varli art is a traditional art form which are being drawn by the Adivasi people of Maharashtra, where they relate each and every sign or each and every symbol of Varli art with the nature. The square represents the piece of land, where the inverted triangles that are joined at one point will be representing the animals and humans on the earth crust, as well as the mountains and the pointed trees, and the circle represent the sun and moon. So this is how the different art form of Maharashtra, that is the Warli art form of Maharashtra, is related with geometry. So through this decoration, these different art forms of Maharashtra, you have to represent geometry. So here I have represented the geometry through Warli art, but it is not only fixed that all will represent the geometry through Warli art only. You can take the monuments also. If you will draw the figure of a monument, and if you will observe the figure of different monuments, you will find that monuments are made up of different geometrical shapes. So many geometrical shapes can be found in the different monuments. So you have to choose your own ideas and own way of representation of these different geometrical shapes from the different art forms, culture and the heritage of Maharashtra. The next topic we have data handling. So what you will do, how will you make your project? As in the first week we are going to discuss geometry. So first of all you will prepare the project for geometry in this way. Then what you will do, here next topic is our data handling. So what you will do is, you will collect some data from Maharashtra and try to make a data chart, and for that data chart you have to prepare a pictograph or tally or any line graph or bar graph. Then the next topic is data. After the data handling we have the topic of measurement and mensuration. What do you mean by measurement of mensuration? Means measuring. You can take the concept of time also, you can take the concept of measurement of capacity of different dams, you can take the concept of measurement of length by taking writing the different lengths of the different tracks of the railway route. You can take the length of the different roads of Maharashtra, or you can write down the different distances from one place to another place of Maharashtra. So in this way we can integrate the concept of measurement and mensuration with the different art and culture of heritage and culture of Maharashtra. Next we are having the topic for the fourth week is model making and autobiography. Children, there are so many mathematicians, ancient mathematicians who originated from Maharashtra. So you can paste their pictures and write about them by decorating your project, and write all the biography and the details about those mathematicians and their contribution to the mathematics, means field of mathematics. You can write there point by point. As well as in model making, you can make the various models of art forms of Maharashtra. You can make some traditional craft works of Maharashtra. You can make some monuments or some historical places of Maharashtra. So it is up to you how you are going to represent the various art forms of Maharashtra and relate it or integrate it with mathematics. So it is all your own creativity and your own innovative ideas which you are going to put and make your projects. So you can take help of your parents in making these projects. Apart from this, even if you wish, you can take a scrapbook also, and you can decorate the front page of the scrapbook as I decorated in mine, and then you can one by one use pages such as the first page for writing your name and personal details, your class, section and school name. Then in the next page you can write the introduction, but always remember every page should be decorated beautifully. I have decorated my project by drawing. You can use different craft works also to decorate your project. as well as in the next page, as I have written, you can write the index, where you can start writing index such as for every subject, and you can use a few pages such as we have mathematics at the first day of the week, so you can you can use one page for geometry, one or two pages for geometry, okay. Then another page for data handling, and one more page for mensuration and for model making. Then next you can start for the next subject by writing, decorating and writing the name of the subject first. As you consumed these 4 to 6 pages for mathematics, then what you have to do, you have to start with the project of the next subject, where you will decorate and write the name of the subject along with the topic. Next, one by one, first topic of the, you will make the project for the topic of the first week, then the second week, then the third week, and then the fourth week, so on. So for every subject you have to make like this. So you are not bound to make project only in a craft book, scrapbook, or you are not at all bound to make projects on a chart paper. You can make your project individual project for all the 6 subjects. Even you can make projects by spiral binding also. So children, the teachers will guide you in the live classes. Whatever the doubts and queries you have, you can ask them in the live classes. Okay, thank you.